Make me come out there. Me couldn't have subject and sit down pan. And this is liberty. Them say begging cause liberty. Me couldn't have brain and temperament and mind. Me couldn't have brain and education like someone who come on social media and sit down and chase cloud. No, you gotta look for me and tell me say me a croft. And your mouth make you lose your blood clot work. As a soldier. Keem King, remember? Remember cocky or something make you leave the force, you know. So we you are referred to as scruff. Must be your mother. Cocky or something make you leave the blood clad force. I hear they are foreigners sleep on people blood clad couch. Stop coming with the fake life on the internet. When police video my house scheme, I was never ashamed. Because me did don't know the situation of me in and my viewers, my followership hear me ball out on a day-to-day basis. Remember me no live nowhere. So who you try trick me or the crowd? Cause there's no shame to be in poverty. Me say Annie come over here. Annie get help with the restaurant. Annie get help with the restaurant. And he get help with this, and he have YouTube, she do blogs, and he still come as so she don't have no door. I'm still never follow people and bring her down. What I say to myself, I don't even want to talk about, because what I said to myself is that, and all he have to come on the internet and say, boy, I try to know someone want door for a room, and I try to make, I beg some help and the argument done. We don't always want to put down people. We don't always want to put down people and make it seem like someone better than people. Keem King, me live in a dirty house and police expose it. Me not come here chase clout like you. We have sleep out somebody setting in a foreign. Happy Easter, baby. Me live in a dirty house. But yet still me live in a dirty house, yet still me a croft, but yet still I can't stop calling me name. Why? It makes no sense. Because the real reason is that so when you don't play the ball game, if me not there the show can't keep. Yes, man. It said me not there the show cannot keep. Because uno self have nothing to bring to the table, no boring. Uno troll girl, remember you know people? Uno troll girl, you know. Uno get the followers, you know. Uno not gonna live nothing to the table. Nothing to the table. Remember, you know? I saw me give you you know. Uno troll girl. Uno get the followers. But uno not gonna live nothing to the uno boring. Keem King, when you gonna realize that Rosealee and I daughter house always gonna lead you by a landslide. We don't even play comparance to compete. I'm not unblock you. I'm here not gonna go at it on social media because you're shit. He's a piece of shit. Because you live in the land of opportunity. Why you wanna sit down? Why? If I'm in the land of opportunity, why would I wanna sit down and think about a girl with a dirty house? No, make it make sense. Keem King road. Keems. You know Batman Keem Kings with the shit gap in them teeth. You call me a croft. Granted. What are you doing for yourself in America? Nothing at all. More than you look somebody for feed in America. And through the internet now feed you want in an argument with girl. The internet now feed you now look somebody for feed in America. Happy Easter, baby. Cause me a croft. Granted. A long time root there for my program. I don't talk already, so I live now. I catch. Me always ball out that, so I make a shame off. When I go shame off, you have to creep before you walk. When I go shame off, what can life put at me to be shamed? I don't keep no secret. Me don't ball out from day one, say me not live no way. So you guys want to come on internet, it's crazy. You say me not follow up on the story, me just say yes, me all start an argument done. Cause whether if it want dirty, whether if it dirty, or whether if it dirty, or whether if it want clean, whether if it dirty or whether if it clean, when uno a drag girl, uno find all means and necessary to drag girl. Happy Easter, Tina. Keem King, me and you, this Keem King, me want this get to you. Me want the people that make tell them, make you know. Make you know, so you will never be on this dirty girl. You will never be on this dirty girl level. Because I have one thing that you will never seek in a life to find. You can't find it. And it's an aura of blessing. And it's an aura to see to a person can come on and say, I have been there once, I can relate. Me have that one you can't find. Because I'm boring. 99.9% of the chance when you walk around and troll girl and class girl and bring down girl and get the following. When the girl over when the people over on the live, see them here? See them here? We don't have nothing on the table. There's a lot of buildings in America. Go blog and show buildings. You worry about me and my cruft self. Me say Annie have page and Annie blog and Annie this and Annie blog. Annie come and say she don't have no door. I mean Annie don't have no door. I would have Jaden get 500 for fix her kitchen, but that's not bash her down. Help her out. But when I said Annie not on the door, the Annie couldn't come over here and beg 100 and buy one little door also. That's what I said to myself, you know, come in and bring her down. I'll do a she class me. She make him tutor her the first time and she class me when me bad mind her. Me say when I said me keep it moving. No. TikTok. You know, put up life, you know. Keem King, me not gonna dwell for you too long because Unu will never be me. And as tough as me being alive, I see where things is going on for me. So I'm not even gonna put Unu pan. I'm not even gonna put you on popularity. I'm not gonna put you on relevance. I make sure I block you off a year page. So after somebody tell me. I'm out tell them say when me block them and them talk whatever want to hear them. Because Keem King, me block you and I will never unblock you. We will never go at it on the internet. You're gonna talk to my pope. Are the garbage them that I consume in here, but you will never, me will never. Oh, no, me and you not gonna go at it, sir. You can't get that from me anyway. Come here. Power tap shot, that is it. No, me and him will never go at it on here, never. Him will never ever, me and him will never unblock and go, never. I want boy, I see my attention so much. When anything come out, impress other people about bash me, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah. It's cool, but power tap shot. So yesterday, chat that alright, that cool. Remember, you know, it's when we don't count people what them say, but we should even hurt we. Or we not count them. When we not count them, when them that them not understand. True, me not count them when them say, but me not even care, cause I not even me list it as somebody that tell me, cause me not even me block him. Cause them can't get close to me. Them can't get close to me. All if me eye shut. No. Me hear Shibada come out yesterday and say, Rosealee, come talk about Colleen. What? No. Rosealee can't talk about Colleen because Colleen has secret for her. And for what them I realize is Shibada start friend with Shadem and Shibada start bring on one light trend with him. the more you sit down and believe in a share lie till you start repeat it. So your friend automatically, your friend them automatically became the same thing. Cause the more you sit down and believe something which is not true, when it make no sense. When it make no sense, you're a liar. Because you carry one story where you're not even sure about. But anyway, them say believe kill and it cure. Shibata Gemini don't keep secret. Shibata Gemini doesn't keep secret. I tell you, Gemini does not keep secret. There's no secret between you and a Gemini. Because if you fuck with we it first, we're gonna ball out. We don't keep secret. Gemini does not keep. We don't even keep secret for ourselves. If me mind sharp, if me no mind sharp, I have a come ball out every blood clot because I owe me a fear hold back. Shibata Gemini does not keep secret. No girl nah no secret for me. No girl nah have no secret for me. No girl no have no secret for me. Me no keep secret. My life is a open book. My life come like every Bible verse where you say me not keep secret. So if any girl have any secret for me, she can talk it. Because if my suck pussy, me done suck pussy already. And they don't can change it. Whether they like the taste, the smell, or the blood clot aura. Me not keep secret, baby. So a wrong bitch ya come to me, they don't come tell them something live now already. So when the girl them come out, I just that's why my day ones them will always be my day one. Because them know the real me. I am the realest on here. All of y'all are fake for the internet. All of y'all. All of uno. Fake. Just to the internet. We want to live this modest life for people to say, oh my, she nice when she put on her clothes. She look goody. But she no go nowhere. Nowhere. Photoshop for days. Filter for weeks. We not go nowhere. Oh my, she look goody. She look nice, him look goody. Pity you know so them not have $1. She look goody. Oh my, nicey. Bumba. Life agree with the do. Yeah, life agree with me lie. Pity you know them not have $1. All of y'all are fake on the internet. All of y'all. And the one thing one can't get from because I'm real more than uno. I'm real more than uno. Yeah, I'm real more than uno. Because if Jake's there with Colleen Shibata, it's not Calvin. If Jake's there with Colleen, it's not Calvin. It ain't Calvin. Bar, thank you. If Jake's there with Colin is not Calvin, Jake's not there with a man.